Hi, I am from PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to add exception in Windows Defender on Windows 11 so you can prevent certain files or folders from being scanned. This tutorial is quick and easy, and I'll guide you through every step. Step 1. Click the search icon on your taskbar and type Windows Security or Defender. This helps you locate the built-in security app on your computer, which manages your antivirus and protection settings. Step 2. Select Windows Security from the search results to open the application. Opening Windows Security allows you to access all the security features, including virus and threat protection. Step 3. In Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. This section controls how Windows Defender scans your files and protects your system from threats. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. This lets you adjust your scanning preferences and customize exclusions. Step 5. Scroll down to the Exclusions section and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Exclusions tell Windows Defender which files, folders, or processes to skip during scans. Step 6. If prompted by user account control, select Yes. This allows the changes to be applied with administrative permission. Step 7. Click the plus button to add an exclusion. This opens a menu where you can choose what type of item you want to exclude. Step 8. Choose the type of exclusion you want to add: file, folder, file type, or process. Selecting the right type ensures that only the items you want are excluded from scanning. Step 9. Navigate to and select the file or folder you want to exclude, then confirm your selection. Once selected, it will appear in the list of exclusions and won't be scanned in the future. Step 10. To remove an exclusion, click the drop-down arrow next to it and select Remove. This will make Windows Defender scan that item again, keeping your system protected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.